Best Ship Names, Helldivers 2. Helldivers 2 is a top-down, cooperative twin-stick shooter that drops players right in the middle of an intergalactic war. In Helldivers 2, your ship is so much more than a ride. It's your mobile command center, safe haven in madness, and your very defiance against the extraterrestrial crowds. It's the naming of your ship that makes you a true Helldiver as you take to the skies to fight for humanity's salvation. The choices are, however, overwhelming, so picking out the perfect name is quite a task. Do you opt for something fierce and intimidating, or perhaps something more humorous and lighthearted? GAD Insider has compiled a list of the best ship names that you can choose from. Number 1. Hammer of Dawn from the Gears of War games. Number 2. Founding Father of Audacity. Number 3. Hammer of War from the Warhammer 40k novels. Number 4. Emperor of Steel. Number 5. Defender of Super-Earth. Number 6. Star of War, referring to Star Wars. Number 7. Dawn of the Constitution. Number 8. Song of Conquest from the Songs of Conquest games. Number 9. Princess of Twilight from the Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess video game. Number 10. Precursor of Mercy. Number 11. Wings of Liberty from the StarCraft 2 video game. Number 12. Defender of Humanity. Number 13. Advocate of Peace. Number 14. King of Wrath. Number 15. Knight of Honor from the Knights of Honor video game. Number 16. Mother of Mercy. Number 17. Leviathan of Serenity. Number 18. Citizen of the Stars from the Star Citizen video game. Number 19. Bringer of Destruction. Number 20. Prophet of Truth from Halo. Number 21. Banner of Dawn. Number 22. Sword of Destiny from the Witcher books. Number 23. Whisper of the State. Number 24. Dawn of War from the Warhammer 40k game. Number 25. Citizen of Starlight. Number 26. Agent of Destruction. Number 27. Arbiter of Truth. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your ship name in Helldivers 2. First, start the game and select your save file. Once in the game, navigate to the ship menu. Select Customized Ship to access the ship customization options. In the ship customization menu, select the name option. This will allow you to edit your ship's current name. Type in your desired ship name using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure to follow any naming conventions or restrictions set by the name. Once you've entered your new ship name, select Confirm or Save to apply the changes. Your ship's name should now be updated. Exit the ship customization menu and return to the game's main menu. Select Ship again to verify that your ship's name has been updated.